11, 12, 13, 14, 16, all 16, 18, 19, all 19, 20, 20, largely that, my lord. My lord, the elementary style under section 59 of the Evidence Act, I pray that all these garments be expanded off the record for being hearsay evidence. My Lord, I submit that evidence, admissible evidence, must be of that witness who says he or she saw the given issue and was there, or heard. My Lord, specifically, we have several decided cases, one of them being retired Colonel Dr. D.r Besigye versus Royal Kakuta Museveni. This area was canvassed, and the ratio was that such evidence would be expanded. My Lord, my colleague will submit on that authority going forward. My Lord, the starting point would be, my Lord, bring me back in that. Bring me back in the record. Well, the starting point would be order 19, rule 3, 2, which is rule 3, 1 and 2, reflect that affidavit evidence must only be restricted to information by the deponent. The courts have canvassed this area, and it is a settled area. One the cases I'm going to provide that the actual authorities will be furnished with court managed later for the permission. My Lord, we had with your guidance.
You have made your prayer, and I will consider it the general evaluation of the as I evaluate the general context.
My Lord, I understand.
But I have captured your prayer.
But our understanding, my Lord, has been that now then how do we continue cross-examining on evidence that we have premeditated? Maybe then that means that our objection has been sustained when they have been expelled.
I have said,
because if you really go forward,
I have said that I will consider it doing the general evaluation. That's what I said. I didn't say I would say so to be considered that, but you can continue because examination.
Yes, and not because on this issue, let him complete the submission.
Okay,
Let's conclude the submission then.
support your colleague,
Yes.
and then we can meet.
My lord, the first one is Paul Kawanga, Ssemogerere, and Zachary Aulum. Versus the Attorney General. Constitution petition number 3, 1999. My lord, we also have Chris Mubiru. My lord, I'll give you the rationale. Chris Mubiru versus the Attorney General. Constitutional petition number 1 of 2001. And my lord, lastly, we have D.r Besigye versus YKM7, presidential election petition number 1 of 2001. My lord, this is the rationale in this case. That, briefly, my lord, that election petitions are trials that are supposed to determine the merits of the case. So, the only evidence you can have on record is through affidavit. If you sneak in inadmissible evidence, like hearsay, there's no any other chance of getting that evidence off the record. And, my lord, because we are not proceeding by witness statements, the only form we can have evidence on record is by affidavit. So where the deponent is giving information from other people who are not before court, my lord, that information is not admissible.
As you have pointed out, paragraphs 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 18, 19, and 20.
Yes, my lord, and
those are the ones that which I have captured here.
yes, my lord, and lastly, to emphasize this, my lord, even evidence from the advocate is not admissible. Even that from the advocate. And my lord, I will quote that. Except the advocate who is representing the deponent. The affidavit where it reads that, my lord, I have been informed by my foresaid advocates.
13, 14.
So, my lord, the excerpt that is relevant to this situation from Zachary Aulum. The ones from the advocates?
Yes.